I'm here to help boost your vocabulary for your next IELTS exam quickly and effectively. Let's watch and learn. Improving your English lexical resource for your next IELTS exam comes down to 3 key concepts. Understand it, remember it, and recall it. I will go through each of these, giving you sample vocabulary and key words for linking your ideas in this video. Let's start by how to understand vocabulary. The best way to understanding vocabulary is not only by looking at the dictionary definition. Let's take the word frugal, which is an adjective meaning economical, but also to immediately link to other words, synonyms that have a similar or the same meaning, as well as visualizing the word. The word frugal, meaning economical, could also be related to the words cheap and affordable. I'm immediately visualizing some sunglasses. An expensive pair of high-quality sunglasses costing hundreds of dollars, or a cheap, frugal pair of sunglasses from the gas station costing only $10. By linking new words with existing words in your vocabulary bank, you're going to understand the words much faster and clearer. The next step is remembering the word. Effectively increasing your bank of lexical resource requires memory, remembering new words for years and years to come. Students often complain, "I just forget the new words that I'm learning. What am I doing wrong?" Well, a lot of learners tend to learn through repeating the words, writing them down over and over again, like the word frugal, writing it down 5 to 10 times in hopes that it will sink into long-term memory. This is not the most effective way. The brain does not learn the best through rote memory or memorizing by repetition. Rather, the brain holds on to unique information. When it sees, hears, senses situations that are out of the ordinary, it grabs that information and burns it deep into the mind. Therefore, taking new words like frugal and putting them into unique contexts, like the frugal house was just 10 square meters in floor space, will help you to remember the words much longer, much faster. Now, on to recalling the words. So now you know how to understand and remember words, but what should you do so that you can effectively recall words? When you're in the listening and in the reading section of the IELTS exam, if you were to see the word frugal, you would now know what it means because you understand and remember it. But can you use it in the speaking and writing section? For this, you need to be able to recall new vocabulary. The best trick to quickly access your memory and use new words is to make sure and include yourself when learning the vocabulary. The brain loves to participate. We're surrounded by information, and much of that gets filtered out or stored in deep long-term memory, never to be used again. However, if you want words to come to your forethought and to your tongue quickly, you need to include yourself. Instead of just saying, the frugal house had just 10 square meters of space, you should include yourself. I bought a frugal house for just $4 with 10 square meters of space and kicked out the front door when I stretched my legs. This type of compound complex sentence, including yourself, while visualizing living in this tiny little home, will help you to recall the vocabulary in future cases where you need to use the word frugal. Now, combine this with some interesting conjunctions, words that join ideas, and you're sure to boost your IELTS scores by 1 or 2 bands within a few weeks of concerted, focused study. Let me show you how. Once you have practiced understanding, remembering, and recalling new words by generating unique sentences that include yourself or somebody that you know and love, you can now up your game by creating sentences with 2 new words. In this way, quickly and effectively learning lots of vocabulary right before your exam. Let's take the word rustic and frugal. I bought a house that is both rustic and frugal. It has 10 square meters of space and was built in the 16th century. Now that is a good way to master new words in English and up your game when you sit your next IELTS exam. For the purpose of learning word combinations in examples like rustic and frugal, it's important to review and implement correlative conjunctions. In English, there are 3 types of conjunctions, meaning linking words to join ideas and sentences: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. For now, we're just going to focus on the correlative conjunctions. To learn all types of conjunctions, be sure to join our premium IELTS package. For academic, aehelp.com. For general IELTS, gieltshelp.com. Correlative conjunctions are paired conjunctions like not only, but also, both and, whether or, neither, nor. Using these conjunctions to learn vocabulary and during the writing and speaking of the IELTS is a surefire way to get those higher scores. Pay attention to the example again. I bought a house that was both rustic and frugal. Using both and emphasizes the qualities of the home, being rustic and frugal, meaning affordable and old-fashioned. Use these correlative conjunctions regularly when learning new vocabulary and be sure to implement it in your upcoming IELTS exam. For over 500 important vocabulary for your next IELTS test, be sure to check out this link also in the video description. Good luck the next time you sit your IELTS exam. Join our exclusive weekly premium student IELTS live classes on Thursdays and Fridays by becoming a premium member on our website at aehelp.com. The best part, it's a one-time payment for lifetime access. You get all of our exams, an interactive course, over 150 videos, and an app for your phone. Use the discount code BOOST9 for an additional 10% off. Click the link in the description below. We are an IDP affiliate, a British Council partner, and I'm an IELTS British Council agent. Begin learning for success today. Join now. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.